Here's your media training tip of the day. Some reporters have a standing rule with their camera operators. The second we go into the office of this person we're interviewing, whether it's an executive, a CEO, a politician, have the camera running. This way, sometimes the reporter will make small talk, try to catch the person being interviewed saying something off guard, candid, with the implication that it's not being on yet, but nothing's been stated as off the record. So it's all fair game for the reporter to use the audio or the video, even though it doesn't look like the camera's been set up, the lights, and officially it's a go. So be careful. Assume that anytime a reporter's come to your office, everything is being recorded. Do not say anything that you wouldn't want the whole world to see. That way, doesn't matter if the reporter's being sneaky or not, you'll be in great shape. I'm TJ Walker. I help people speak more effectively to the news media. If you would like a copy of my book, Media Training A to Z, go to my website, MediaTrainingWorldwide.com, and you can click and get the book sent to you right away.